Oh, hey everyone, I'm just going to be doing a quick review on this new wood stove that I bought. The manufacturer is Red Mountain Valley. I got it for about $60 Canadian, which maybe is around, I don't know, $40–50 US. And I see people on the internet, their preparedness channels, they're making these stoves out of old barrels and ammo cans and all kinds of things, and they could spend a couple hours building one of these things, and I just got this for $60. I mean, I think my time's worth more than. Why should I spend $60 building an ammo can one when I could get a professionally made one here, and I don't have to spend all that time? And so this is what I'm going to be using for real emergencies like extended power outages. Once the power was out at my house here in Ontario for over a week, and a lot of people went to go stay at hotels and that kind of thing, and some people that went away, their houses got broken into, but I've got, for a short-term power outage, I've got enough propane, and I've got this little propane-powered inverter generator. I can easily run a heater. I can run the generator outside, run an electrical line inside, and power a heater inside the house here. And for electricity, I've also got the solar panel, and I've also, you see a picture there, I've got a little for outside heating. I could also use that other thing you see down there in the red and white box. It's basically a radiant tank top propane heater. But if there's an extended outage and I need to go live in a tent somewhere for a few weeks, obviously I won't have enough propane stored in order to handle that situation. And so that's why I've got this little wood stove. I could set it up in a tarp tent or anything like that. It could keep me going for weeks and weeks throughout the winter. And for $60, I think it was a great deal. Right now the same store's got it on for over $100, so if you can score them on sale, I think it's definitely worth it. So you'll see I'm just going to give you an idea of what it looks like at the top here. So it's got to be, I'd say, at least 7 feet off the ground is that exhaust at the top there. And so the weight of it, I think the weight was somewhere around 25 to 30 pounds. So you could even carry it with you if you have to get out to another location somewhere. And so I'll just give you a quick look at a few of the features. It came with a few things. It came with a fire poker, and I'm just storing them inside right now, but on the top here you've got this as a handle. You put them together and you can carry it quite nicely as a handle. And what do we got here? Well, inside, that's just for moving the ash around, I guess. And similarly, it came with this other large item. Just looks like a bent piece of steel. I think it's more like some sort of a fire poker or something. Don't know if I'm going to be using that too much. Anyways, so you can see some other reviews on YouTube, people actually using these stoves. I think there's another guy called, his channel's called Demcat, and he gives a review of cooking right on top of here. He's got some pots. But anyways, just thought I'd give you an idea of what it looks like. Of course, you can vary the airflow here by moving this. And so anyways, I hope you like this review. I hope it's useful for you. And leave comments down below if you want to see other types of videos like this. Thanks very much.